Hi, my name is Chinara Gambarova, and here I am to present my homework on topic 2, discussion number 1. So, what are the outliers? Outliers are extreme or atypical values that can reduce and distort the information in a data set. Outliers in a data set are data points that deviate significantly from the majority of the data. They can have a substantial impact on the measures of central tendency like mean, median, or mode. Outliers can heavily influence the mean, pulling it towards extreme values. So what are these outliers? Are they errors? So some anomalies in survey statistics may arise from errors that requires correction. Or alternatively, some outliers might not result from errors, but rather indicate a trend distinct from the majority with significant design weight in a dataset. So it is crucial to carefully assess the impact of outliers on estimations. So how do we identify outliers? There are two ways to identify the outliers. So one is visual, plotting the data using the box plot, histograms, or scatter plots can reveal outliers visually. Points that fall far from the bulk of the data may be considered outliers. And the second way is using statistical methods like the z-score or the IQR, interquartile range, to identify outliers based on their deviation from the mean or quartiles. And now I'll go ahead and share my screen to show you my Jupyter notebook. So here I have an example with house prices, and I have a sample of 6 data points with house prices, and mostly they are between 200,000 and 250,000, but only one of them is 1 million. So as I said, one of the ways to identify an outlier is a box plot. Here I used a box plot by importing MATLAB and Seaborn and Pandas, and by using this function I visualized my data set, and as you can see, only one data point is far from the bulk data, and this is our outlier. And the second way to identify the outlier is to use IQR, which is interquartile range, which shows how far it deviates from the quartile values. So as you can see, there are two ways. And how do we handle the outliers? We can just delete the outliers so they don't skew our average, our mean. So one of the ways to handle is just to delete it. So yeah, it was my homework on outliers. Thank you. Have a good day.